Daniel from Carbonwurks, and this is a little feature video today of Elliot's Audi R8 V10 Plus. And this isn't just any ordinary V10 Plus. This is a car that we've built with Elliot, with his vision and imagination, to create what I believe is probably a one-of-one car. It's very, very special. I'm going to talk about the Akrapovic Exhaust today, because we installed this exhaust and the rest of the kit about a year and a half ago. It's back here at the moment for a few little tweaks, but we're going to talk you through the exhaust. So join us at the back end of the car and I'm going to talk about the exhaust, and let's get some rev videos as well. So apart from getting slightly blinded from the sun, it's a good time to talk about the exhaust that's on this. So this Acra system is a titanium piece of kit, so it effectively replaces the rear silencer. It still keeps the original catalytic converters in place as well, so it's MOT and emissions friendly. And we've got, if you look down here, follow me down for a bit of a close-up, these amazing looking carbon tips with a titanium insert and also the Acra logo and writing there, and they're cut out in indentation. So you can also, if you look through the vents, these carbon pieces are actually ours amongst with a lot of other carbon on this car. You can see the titanium rear pipes that go into obviously the rear silencer. So this particular system is valved, so you get to use your original valving system. This is a V10 Plus originally, which means originally when these were built you had the button on the steering wheel that you could open and close the valves. Later cars, sadly, that option has been removed, but this particular one still has that, which means it gets the full-blooded noise from this thing, and it is unbelievable. I've heard a lot of systems on these R8s, and this is definitely one of my favourites. It really is a very special piece of kit. So what we're going to do now is do a little bit of a rev video, so you can hear the valves closed and open, and some moving shots, as well as some overlays when we actually install this exhaust. So as I said, we've done a lot of work to this car. It's back for a few more tweaks, but we thought let's do a little video on the exhaust because it's too special to leave out.